Hello there.
Hello.
So what are you trying to do?
Dig the potatoes.
What type of potatoes are there?
There's some different colored potatoes.
Yeah, what is the variety called? It's called Satanta.
Tanta.
Yeah, main crop. The other one is the half pink and half white. Yeah.
Here's a better.
Yeah.
Better
So can you show to me? Yeah. So this one is called Colorus. That's also another main crop. So you put them in a different cases, is it?
Yeah.
And what are the leftovers underneath? Why you put them separate? Those the ones there.
Because either they have some holes in.
Yeah.
Or
Are you poke through them? Yeah.
yeah, because they're in the ground, so you can't see them when you're digging. So sometimes they go through.
Okay. And after you digging the potatoes, what do you do? Do you have any plan to do on this area?
We're going to plant some ping pong.
Okay.
Some ping pong.
Yeah.
And we're going to plant some beetroot.
Uh huh.
Different varieties.
Okay. And what is it banana tree doing next to you? Do you look after it?
Well, we had to separate its babies.
Okay. So what is just behind you? What is it growing behind you?
Well, there's some flowers.
And what is that white flowers there? What are they?
They are some fruit.
Okay. No, they are not fruit. Have a look. What are they? Look at the small baby fruit there. Have you seen that fruit?
It looks like
Yeah, that's the sorakaya. Yeah. Gourd. Yeah. Bottle gourd. Yeah.
it's a
All right.
vegetable.
So what is that string coming next to behind you? What is that string?
These are some
Have a look.
here.
Yeah. What is it? What is that white one? The yellow one?
They look like pumpkins.
Yeah. Where is the big pumpkin?
There.
No, that's not the big pumpkin.
Oh, there.
That's a massive one. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
There's also a baby here. Look.
Yeah, that's the baby one. All right, Risa. Thank you for helping me.